Hello everyone, Andy here, hope you are well. So you join me on my holiday. So we're going to quite a few stops on a cruise. It's a Royal Caribbean cruise called the Canary Adventures. Apologise by the way if the audio wasn't too good. I didn't bring the proper camera with me just because it was so bulky, and bringing the drone and everything with me in the 30-degree heat was insane. So I'm just using my phone. So we've got quite a few stops that we've been on this cruise, and as you can see at the moment, it is extremely nice weather, blue skies, it's 30-degree heat, and I've just done a bit of filming here. This is the Gran Canaria. I've done a couple of stops, but just before filming here, we've been to Lanzarote, and before there we've been to Vigo. Got a little bit of filming on there, but we went somewhere else before then, which has passed me by. I'll make a note here, hopefully. And I couldn't actually fly there, it was too close to any airports. Okay everyone, well hopefully I've captured some nice footage that I can make into a really cool drone video for you to all to watch and enjoy. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up, really appreciate that. And if you're new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe and click that notification button to keep up to date with future videos. Thanks everyone for watching, see you again soon, bye.